Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this soft pink halo eye makeup look using the new Morphe Sweet Oasis palette. Karen from I Love Vday is the face of the palette and she is just so gorgeous. I knew I had to pick this up. I absolutely love her content. If you aren't already following her, you definitely should. She is such an inspo, so definitely go check her out. I'll leave her information down below. Let me show you what's inside the palette because it is so beautiful. The shades are just so pretty. I am in love. I love that you get a little bit of neutral but color at the same time. I am digging the pinks and I don't have a lot of blues, so I'm really excited to venture into this avenue, but that will be for another video. I plan to do a few looks with this palette, so stay tuned. But if you are interested to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I'm going to apply this with my Real Techniques blending brush all over the eyelid to really help the eyeshadows pop and stay on all day. I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty Tapered blending brush, the E40, to apply the shade Alfresco, which is a nice transition shade, and I'm going to apply this and blend this into the crease. With the same brush, I'm going to apply this pink shade Sneak a Kiss just under the transition shade Alfresco, and I'm going to lightly blend this in for a nice wash of pink. With my Sigma Beauty E25 blending brush, I'm going to apply this chocolate brown shade Shady Spot to the inner portion and outer portion of my lid, keeping the middle area untouched to create a halo effect. I'm going to apply this icy pink shade Just Us 2 to the middle portion of my eyelid to create that halo eye. But I'm also going to pat in the shade Revel in It, which is a more pink tone shimmery shade, and I'm just going to lightly tap that in, and then with my finger I'm going to pat in the shade Champagne on Ice, which is a true champagne sparkly shimmer shade. Then I'm going to take my E25 brush again and just kind of blend the shades together. Back with my E40 Tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit more of that pink shade Sneak a Kiss into the crease area, just slightly to intensify the pink. Now I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner and create a cat eye on the eyes. The eyes are definitely missing some glam, so I'm going to apply this Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. And I'm just going to apply this on the middle part of my lid where I have the shimmery eyeshadow. Just want a little bit of glitter to add some glam. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara on my lashes. This is the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. Now I'm going to apply my Koko lashes in the style Queen Bee with my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive. Alright, so now I'm going to finish off my face makeup and I'll be back to finish off the eyes. Back with my face makeup on, now I'm going to apply my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk on my waterline. With my Sigma Beauty E20 Short Shader Brush, I'm going to apply the pink shade Sneak a Kiss on the lower lash line area. Now with my Sigma Beauty E30 Pencil Brush, I'm going to apply the pink shimmery shade Just Us 2 to my inner corners to highlight. Finishing off this look with some more mascara. Again, this is the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. I'm applying this to my lower lashes. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please also click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you're following me on my other socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. Comment below and let me know what videos you would like to see me do next. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!